Sailsense offers a unique connected boat ecosystem that allows your after-sales team to better handle customer support. Our solution covers all your needs, from digital switching to a white-labeled mobile app for your customers. Insightful dashboards give your team an easy access to your boat's historical data, helping you solve issues from anywhere in the world and enabling better boat designs. Despite its extensive capabilities, our solution will also help you reduce your bill of material by up to 20% and the installation time by up to 4 days, thanks to simplified wiring circuits, automatically pushed configuration, and limited number of hardware components. But how does it work? At the heart of the system is the Sailsense Hub. The hub is the brain for your boat, managing the connection of all equipment with the outside world in real time. Next to the hub is the Sailsense Power Rail. It is a smart and connected digital distribution board controlling all electrical systems and equipment on the boat. The system can also be interfaced with any other common NMEA 2000 or J1939 appliances and can be completed with standard domotic wireless sensors to offer new possibilities, like a state-of-the-art alarm, flooding detection, fire detection, and many more. We know your time is valuable. That's why our teams can accompany you along all the way, supporting you with the design of the electrical diagrams and the training of your teams for self-installation and configuration. Our innovative solution allows you to provide state-of-the-art after-sales services to your customers while allowing them to fully control their boats remotely and get continuous assistance from a real digital crewmate when at sea. Maximize their enjoyment and craft a new experience with them as of today. Contact us today and find out more at www.sailsense.io. Sailsense. Connected boat solutions. Make your boats easier and safer to navigate.